Nutrition Greens and Superfoods Powder is a tasty daily dose of greens made with 30+ nutrients including organic fruits and vegetables, probiotics, antioxidants, and more. Whether you're dealing with bloating the morning after a night out, there are numerous options for cheap supplementary, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable supplementary from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bloom Nutrition Super Greens Powder. 30+ nutrients in 1 scoop. Bloom Nutrition Greens and Superfoods Powder is a tasty daily dose of greens made with 30+ nutrients including organic fruits and vegetables, probiotics, antioxidants, and more. Whether you're dealing with bloating the morning after a night out or wanting to improve your general health, Bloom Greens are amazing for anyone looking to add more vitamins and minerals to their diet. Serving size: 1 scoop, 30 servings per tub. Beat bloat. Our greens are full of natural digestive enzymes and dairy-free probiotics to aid digestion, help balance your gut, and combat uncomfortable bloating. Boost energy and immunity. Our greens provide lasting natural energy derived from micronutrient-dense superfoods, matcha powder, and garden-fresh fruits and vegetables. Our powerful blend of adaptogenic herbs, antioxidants, and vitamins help support your body's natural defenses. Naturally delicious coconut flavor. Packed with essential nutrients your body needs, our premium greens powder is dairy-free, gluten-free, keto-friendly, low-carb, non-GMO, soy-free, sugar-free, and vegan. It tastes smooth and refreshing, like a light fruit juice. Behind Bloom, like many beginners to fitness, Bloom founder Mari struggled to find supplements with high-quality ingredients that tasted delicious. Thus, Bloom was born approachable and delicious supplements. Number 2. Amazing Grass Greens Blend Detox and Digest Smoothie Mix. Cleanse with Super Greens Powder, digestive enzymes and probiotics. Clean green, 30 servings. Promotes healthy digestion. Our greens blend are thoughtfully crafted with a nutritious blend of alkalizing greens, antioxidants, fiber and pre and probiotics to support your overall digestive health to help you feel amazing. Clean and green, made with ingredients you can trust. Our greens blend are certified organic by CCOF, sugar-free, gluten-free, plant-based, kosher and non-GMO. Supports immunity and gut health, packed with 2 full servings of wholesome fruits, vegetables, vitamins and minerals in every scoop. Our greens blend ensures you are getting the right amount of nutrients to support overall health and immunity. Natural energy boost, packed with superfoods, our greens blend provides that extra boost to your day. With added probiotics, our greens blend promote healthy gut bacteria so you can feel your best. Primal Harvest 1 scoop a day. Greens powder. Whether it is starting your day off on the right foot formula or with 50+ superfoods, our Primal Greens combines the goodness of super greens, daily routine. Organic fruits, Ayurvedic herbs, adaptogenic mushrooms, and more. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin B12, vitamin E, and dietary fibers taken from organic kale, asparagus, alfalfa, and Brussels sprouts. Also contains minerals like copper and zinc to support immune function and the body's defense against oxidative stress. Optimized with chlorella and La14 probiotics, what makes Primal Greens stand out is its added La14 or L-acidophilus probiotics to help optimize digestion, immune function, and nutrient absorption. Added to it is the cracked wall chlorella to make it far more bioavailable than other green powders. Our green powder also makes a tastier and more convenient alternative to liquid chlorophyll products. Enhanced with nootropic mushroom blend, through a unique blend of adaptogenic maitake, reishi, and shiitake mushrooms, Primal Greens is designed to help you clear your mind of fog, improve your mood, and boost immunity. Definitely a great addition to its high concentration of fiber-rich and nutrient-dense veggies that can help curb unhealthy cravings and support your weight loss goals. Made in the USA, Primal Greens is formulated and manufactured using the highest safety and quality regulations in our world-class facility right here in the United States. So you don't have to worry about the loose regulations of an outsourced facility. Money-back policy, we want you to be 100% satisfied with all the products you buy at the Primal Harvest store. If you're not entirely happy with your purchase, we will refund your money in full within 90 days, or exchange the products. Number 4. Ghost Greens Superfood Powder. Your mom would be proud. It's easier than ever to get your fruits and veggies in. Ghost Greens combines 19 individually sourced greens and reds with super antioxidant blend spectra, prebiotics, a 10 billion CFU probiotic, and BioCore Optimum complete digestive enzymes. Plus, we've partnered with One Tree Planted to plant a tree for every tub sold. Lime flavor. 30 servings per container. Get your greens and reds. We sourced the most nutrient-dense greens we could find, including organic cracked cell wall chlorella, because regular chlorella just doesn't cut it for Ghost, organic matcha, and organic spirulina. Good for the gut, prebiotics are used to aid digestion and help enhance your body's production of valuable vitamins. Our probiotic formula features DE111, a probiotic strain that can deliver digestive and immune benefits, and we broke out the big guns with BioCore Optimum Complete. Total transparency, all Ghost products feature a transparent label that fully discloses the dose of each active ingredient. Zero proprietary blends means you know what you're getting in each and every scoop. Ghost Greens is vegan-friendly, soy-free, and gluten-free. Number 5. Jocko Fuel Greens Powder. Blend of organic greens and superfoods. This nutritious blend of 23 superfoods like spirulina, wheatgrass, and chlorella is the perfect way to start the day. This blend was developed together with Jocko Willink with 3 goals in mind: holistic health support, the highest quality ingredients, and great taste. Transparent label, no more proprietary blends that allow companies to fill the products with cheaper ingredients. We believe in transparency, and we state the exact quantities of each ingredient in the product, so you can have confidence in your nutrition. Adaptogens boost energy and support stress relief. Powerful adaptogens like ashwagandha, milk thistle, and rhodiola naturally boost energy levels without caffeine and sugar. 9 billion CFU of probiotics per serving support digestive health, a blend of 9 billion probiotic units in every glass mixed with strong antioxidants like acai berry, vitamin C, and pomegranate support the body's digestive and immune systems. Delicious peach flavor. We wanted to make sure that this blend of superfoods tastes as good as it is for you, so we added natural peach flavor and sweetened it naturally with monk fruit. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.